Greetings from the future of luxurious travel. Audi plans to reinvent luxury on wheels in 2026. So set away your preconceived ideas about RVs. You will be amazed by the 2026 Audi Motorhome, a technological and design marvel that blends Audi flair with an adventurous mindset. Audi's distinctive clean lines, eye-catching and adaptable matrix LED lighting, and an aerodynamic profile that is both aesthetically pleasing and optimized for optimal efficiency, particularly to match its powertrain, give the outside of the car a futuristic and minimalist feel. Indeed, two cutting-edge options are anticipated for the 2026 Audi Motorhome. Either a plug-in hybrid, PHEV powertrain that combines an efficient TFSI petrol engine with an electric motor to provide optimal range flexibility and low emissions, or a full electric, EV powertrain driven by a powerful electric motor with a large battery capacity for a long range. As soon as you enter, you notice that the driver's cabin is luxurious and furnished with state-of-the-art equipment. The 2026 Audi Motorhome's dashboard is the ideal fusion of cutting-edge style and ergonomics. The control center is a huge, curved OLED screen that houses Audi's most recent MMI infotainment system, which features 3D navigation and cutting-edge networking. Clear, movable graphics and an augmented reality head-up display that puts important information right in front of you are features of the driver's instruments, which are fully digital. Premium materials like Valcona leather, matte carbon fiber, and polished metal accents provide a unique and concentrated cockpit ambience, while the majority of physical buttons have been replaced with intuitive haptic feedback controls. The primary indoor space is a haven of unparalleled elegance and grandeur. Its huge size and modular design allow you to put it up in a number of ways to suit your needs. The luxurious leather seats may be folded flat or completely swiveled to create a roomy lounge for lounging or a sophisticated dining area. The ideal ambience for any gathering is created with adjustable multicolor LED ambient lighting and large panoramic windows that offer wide views of the outdoors. The interior materials prevalence of carbon fiber, open-pore wood, and sustainable premium textiles demonstrates Audi's dedication to ecologically conscious luxury. The bedroom is a beautiful, tranquil haven. It features a luxurious memory foam mattress, plush sheets, and a cozy king-size bed. Simple and comfortable, the design has effective concealed storage and separate reading lighting. Soundproofing guarantees a restful night's sleep away from outside noises, while windows with motorized shades offer complete seclusion. Additionally, some designs could have a guest pull-down bed. The 2026 Audi Motorhome's bathroom is like having a mobile spa. A full-size shower with a rain head and digital temperature control, a high-end ceramic toilet, and a sophisticated sink with a designer faucet are all features of this tastefully decorated bathroom. Surfaces feature LED-lit mirrors, an effective ventilation system, and premium waterproof materials like quartz stone or contemporary composites. The seamless incorporation of ingenious toiletry storage keeps everything neat and orderly. The 2026 Audi Motorhome's kitchen is a stunning example of both efficiency and design. High-end equipment from leading brands are included in this gourmet kitchen. It has a spacious refrigerator and freezer, a built-in microwave and convection oven, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and even a small dishwasher. The kitchen counter features a wide sink and a contemporary pull-out faucet, and it is constructed of a solid surface material that is both stylish and long-lasting. No matter where you travel, you can prepare a tasty supper thanks to ergonomic storage cabinets that offer enough room for all of your possessions and cooking equipment.